Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to see how you can set up voice command in Samsung Galaxy A17. It's really simple, you just need to go to your settings, then scroll down and go to accessibility, and from here you will see interaction and dexterity option. Tap on it and here you will see voice access option. Tap on it and enable this option. As you can see, you can also go to settings and enable different options such as this activation button like this, or automatically time out after 30 seconds of no speech. Now let's check the voice command option. Select this option and tap on continue. Open Google. Search Stranger Things. Scroll down. Now I will wait for 30 seconds and voice command will automatically turn off because I have enabled this option. Let's check. So as you can see, after 30 seconds it's automatically stopped working. So I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit like, subscribe, and I will meet you in next video.